Hi everyone and welcome back to the final morning report chart of today, Tuesday the 28th of January. This is with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. I'm going to finally look at gold today, which had been on the rally higher. But now what we've seen overnight is the dollar has started to find a bit of support and retrace some of the recent losses that it's had. And lo and behold, that manifests itself in the gold chart as a pullback lower. Two are very negatively correlated, and we've seen that. And what we're now in the dilemma with is, yes, you've had this break. This is the daily chart. You've had this break above the 1267 key resistance. Opens the possibility of a base pattern, but you've not yet had a real confirmation of that, and I'm still a little bit concerned. I'm sort of toing and froing at the moment, unsure as to whether to back this on the upside or not. And certainly, if you look at the intraday chart, you'll see that it's formed what could almost probably be argued to be a bit of a top pattern going on there, and it looks to be retracing back lower. You do have the support of the this black line, which is the 200-hour moving average on this chart, which has historically through this uptrend been a decent basis of support. So that actually came in yesterday. That's currently at 1251, so maybe you'd use that as a bit of a gauge. If you break under that and hold under that, under 1250, you'd probably argue then maybe you're starting to come back lower once more. But certainly on the daily chart, gold did try to break higher, but it had that reaction down to the downside yesterday, and it may be under a bit of pressure, certainly in light of this FOMC meeting that you've got coming up tomorrow, with the announcement likely of a further $10 billion of reduction of asset purchases. So that would be negative for gold. But also on this chart, you've got what is now a bit of a bearish divergence on this stochastics momentum indicator, which does suggest that perhaps it's running out of a bit of steam on the upside, and perhaps the downside pressure could begin to build. Anyway, this could be an interesting couple of days for gold again. Certainly tomorrow evening I'd be watching out for this gold chart, but at the moment I'm looking on the intraday chart at this 1251 level for this 200-hour moving average as a bit of as a good gauge, and perhaps that will be tested at some stage. Anyway, thank you very much for listening, and I wish you good luck with your trading of gold today. Check out the other charts on our morning report page for euro dollar, sterling dollar, dollar yen, and also the chart of the day, which is the S&P 500. Anyway, thank you very much, and I will speak to you tomorrow.